Hi, it's Jez here from Nigezza Creates, and I've got a vintage book haul. Some of them might be antiques. Yes, I know I've got hundreds of books, but here we go. I can't resist. And so, oh, that's two. I'm just going through the pile. Thought that was nice. The Sleigh Dog. Just amazing colours. I mean, it's not that old, 1946, but lovely colours of the pages. So it's got to be had, hasn't it? There's a little black and white drawings, but it was mostly because the colour of the pages were absolutely amazing. So yeah, that's that book. Well, let's pile them down there, Jez. So what have we got here? Arts, Tests of Progress, arithmetic. I can't even speak. It's an arithmetic book, teacher edition. It's 1919, so antique, Jez, get you. So yeah, just I like the cover. I like this. It's almost like Celtic shapes. I don't know the word, but I thought I could put like a topper on there, and that would be nice. I'd obviously extend the spine. Just nice size sort of journal cover there. This is another sort of school book. Beautiful discoloration on those pages, lovely illustration there, and no date, but it's like a children's school book, and I really liked it. I like, you know, these illustrations. They can be you know, hinged and used in a book. Love these little pictures. Just a really nice, beautiful picture there. That's stunning. So yeah, I might have a little bit of a look up. Oh, is that a fairy? I like that illustration. I've lost it now. There, that's really cool. Really cool. That's Sleeping Beauty, because it's the fairies granting wishes on them. Yeah, love it. Absolutely fabulous book, that, and that will be a beautiful cover as well. Again, you'd have to extend the spine. So what have we got here? The Up Trail. Yeah, nice. So 1918, so another antique, and another nice one with discoloured pages. Oh, really good find. I say, I was looking for books just to sort of do covers. This one was 50p, which is just ridiculous, isn't it? How cheap it was. Have we got a date? 1942, so not massively old. Well, that's still 83 years. That's still 83 years, but there's nice discoloration there on some foxing on the pages. So yeah, I can use that. Oh, it's come away. Brilliant. There we go. That's a journal cover waiting to be made in it. Yeah, it does. Oh, and there's a bit of sellotape. It's I'm not keeping it because it's not discoloured enough, so you can just bin. But yeah, like that. And this one, just how gorgeous is that cover? Can you see the detail on that? And just beautiful up the side. 195. Love that. It's a shame there's a bit of it that's ripped. No date on here. but it's just really nice. And these have got really nice thick pages, which are great for sort of tags and things, and a few illustrations as well throughout. Not many, but you know, enough. So yeah. And then my last book, pushed the boat out on this one. I paid £5 for it, which is not like me. It's often rare that books are that price in my local shop, but as you can see, we have the White Rabbit there. We are talking Alice in Wonderland. So it's Alice in Wonderland and Through the Looking Glass. We've got the Cheshire Cat there, and yeah, it's a nice size. Don't have a date on it. I think I looked it up, and I think it was this version, probably, I think they said 1920s, 1930s. They're not the sort of what has become more famous illustrations. So it's Harry Roundtree is the illustrator, as opposed to the other illustrator who has the more famous ones. But they're lovely. They're lovely. Nice bits of foxing. So I think I now might finally finish my Alice journal. This is bigger than sort of A4, so I'm gonna think around that. These could be trimmed down to use, or I could, you know, maybe turn this into my Alice journal and you know, have different size pages. But yeah, look at the foxing on these pages. It's just stunning. It might even end up just being a book that stays on my shelf, but it has certainly made me think that I should take my Alice journal to the Rachel and Bella Craft Retreat and finish it up. It's a journal that I took to the very first one I ever went to, and so it is about time I finished it. So yeah, I might find myself doing that. And I just love these illustrations, just absolute gorgeous. So yeah, lots and lots to use here to make a fabulous Alice journal. I could probably make several. To be fair, I could finish the one I'm working on and then make another one out of this. I was thinking I could maybe do an altered book using this, but I'm not sure how strong it is. So I don't know, but yeah, lovely, lovely book. So that's my little book haul. Some of them more exciting than others. Some of them really were just for the cover, and some of them may well find their way into somebody else's hands as well. So I might not keep them all. I might be generous. All right. But I'm terrible at that. I go yeah, and then I go, oh no. So yeah. Yeah, that stunning for a cover. Stunning. All right then. And that one. And that one. They're just going to be nice covers for journals. Might rub a bit of gold on that. It'll be nice. All right then. See you all again soon. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Hope the sun's shining. Certainly is today. Whether it is on the day this goes live will remain to be seen. But there you go. Bye for now.